Hi, in front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids. From mad scientist to developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear at the top right corner. Select I accept in first things first pop-up and then adjust all of those options however you wish to. You can also click on presets on the left, select the best one for you, and hit yes in load preset pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on the top right corner, and then bottom right corner. Finally, click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Last but not least, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and close Magic Fluids app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!